Yo, so but on Instagram a while ago, people, and whether people are, I'm not sure the forecast of Hurricane Melissa, right? So with a man, with a man say he advised all of the residents of Jamaica to leave the island. So one Jamaican man stitch the weatherman video and say, "I'm go away." The only way Jamaican leave flood prone area unless they see the rain a come and it start flood. And then you see them take out the whole fridge and have the clothes and crackers and tin mackerel in it and I walk in the water. That's the only way Jamaican a go. That's the only way Jamaican a go live. Yo.